Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on October 6, 2023, 5-star Sudoku. Column F, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 9, 7. 6th row, we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. 5th row we got 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 5th grade, only one number is remaining, 9, 9 is confirmed here. 8th grade, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. 2nd row we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8, it will come in one of these cells, it will confirm later. 9th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column E, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3, it will come in one of these cells, it will confirm later. 2nd grade, column E, only one number is remaining, 9, 9 is confirmed here. 2nd row, 3rd row, we have pair numbers, 4, 6, 7. So 4, 6, 7 can't come these cells, it will come in one of the 3 cells. Column E, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. Column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 6, 6 is confirmed here. Column I, 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. 9th grade, we have 1, 2, 6. The 3 numbers can't come these cells, it will come in one of the 3 cells, it will confirm later. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8, it will come in one of these cells, it will confirm later. 9th row, column B, we have pair numbers, 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. Column C, we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 5th row, 7th row, column B, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, and 5th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 8, so it can't come in this cell, 8 will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Column D, column B, we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 1, 6, 9. The 3 numbers can't come this cell, it will come in one of the 3 cells, we will confirm later. Then 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 3, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column J, we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column B, we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 10th row, only one number is remaining, 8, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5, it will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. 8th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column B, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell. Then will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 5th row and 3rd row, we have 9. Column H, column I, column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 2nd also we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, then 8 is confirmed here. Column J and 2nd row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Column A, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column I, column D, we get pair numbers 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come in these cells, it will come in one of these cells. Column J, we go 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 can come here. Then 3 is here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. 7th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 can come here. Then 2 is here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9, it will come in one of these cells, it will confirm later. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. 3rd row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 3rd grade, only 1 number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Then 2nd row, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column B, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 2nd grade, only 1 number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column D, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. 10th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 7th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column B, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Column B, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.